self-awareness and care. On 1st of October, a deworming drive was organized to spread awareness about the parasitic worm infection. The holy time of Navratri began with students indulging in Shlok Uchcharan. A very special ceremony was conducted in the Amolak Public School on 2nd of October for the Student Council. The investiture ceremony, where the students were given responsibilities along with badges to strengthen the bond of our integrity. In came Dashera and our grade 3 students performed beautifully a dance drama depicting the life of Lord Rama, which was followed by a mask making activity to encourage the artistic skill of the young ones. The Molar School family sent their regards for the National Service Scheme camp in a form of a special unit of students from class 11th to educate the villages about environmental protection. This 7-day camp was both fun and informative. October came to an extremely patriotic and unified end with the celebration of National Unity Day or Rashtra Hindu Divas to celebrate the life of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel ji, followed by a celebration of Haryana Day to pay our respect to our beloved state Haryana.
First of November was celebrated as a day of unity and progress in the school, where students and teachers gathered together and students sang songs in the praise of our mighty state. The biggest festival of Hindus, Diwali, was celebrated with great pomp and show at Amolak, where the management, the teachers all get together for a wholesome celebration. For Children's Day, the Amolak family went all in and organized a fun feast for students. An entire day of dancing, playing games and eating their favorite food made the children content with happiness. A very sacred celebration of Guru Purab took place on 20th of November for everyone to bow down to the Supreme Power. November was celebrated as a Purple Color Day by the little ones celebrating the color of future, imagination and dreams. 26th of November, Indian Constitution Day was celebrated, where students read out the preamble and vote to maintain integrity and unity of the nation. The month ended on a peaceful note, where a meditation session was held to help students concentrate better in their studies, and the students of class 10th and 12th for the forthcoming board exams.
In the month of December, Amolak School 3 opened its doors for Million, a government venture of tuning program. On 2nd of December, the color red was celebrated to emphasize the little ones about love, joy, sensitivity, everything that the color signifies. A series of quiz competition, meditation session, singing and dancing competition were organized. To keep the students connected with the happenings in the world, SST quiz competition was held on 50 December for both senior and junior wings. A very special and grand maths exhibition was organized on 22nd December to pay tribute to the great mathematician Ramanujan on Mathematics Day. A very informative Nukkad Natak was staged by the students of Amolak family to spread awareness about saving water. Christmas came early to Amolak as students put up a great assembly where students sang carols, said a prayer, and danced their hearts out with the Santa. The little ones were taken on a special visit to the church on the eve of Christmas. Their joy knew no bounds. A very special Christmas bonfire party was organized for the students, packed with food, dance, and merriment.
Hence concluded our year 2021 with our hearts full of joy and gratitude towards the Almighty for always blessing us in this journey.
We would also like to extend our heartfelt gratitude towards our respected management, Honorable Principal Ma'am, and our hard-working teachers for always guiding us on this path.
From the entire Amolak family, we wish you all
A very happy New Year!